You want to play with me? If you do, you're gonna be forced to play my game, Mario.exe. Ha 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 ha! It's on me! What are you doing, young? Are you scared to play? Come on, it's your favorite plumber, Mario!
Telephone outage. The following message is transmitted by the Brooklyn Police Department. Several 911 calls have come in the city of Brooklyn, New York, that several murders have been reported. And when police checked the victims, they had stab wounds all over them, and bloody text saying "Gotta you, it's me," or "kill." The suspect is unknown. The 911 systems can go out quickly as this progresses. Do not call 911 for emergencies. Call the Brooklyn Police Department if you have an emergency at 718-312-4226. Repeating, 718-312-4226. You may want to be indoors at this time, as this suspicious possibly result in a shelter-in-place order or a law enforcement warning to be in effect. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
Come here, you little idiot! Hello? Brooklyn Police?
Brooklyn Police Department, Officer Zygai speaking. How can I help you, sir? Sir? Calm down, sir. Why are you breathing so hard? Are you having a chronic disease or something?
My name's Joel, and there's a suspect literally chasing me right now. And he looks like the famous Mario, except gory. But it's impossible.
Oh, Mario, huh? What has he done this time?
Well, I'll tell you that. He held a knife. This, iconically, I hate to say at the least. He's Mario.exe.
Can you give me a description of what he looks like, please?
He is 5 feet 1 inch tall. He has brown shoes, a knife on him, and is stained with blood, including his gloves. He has the same clothing, except darker than usual. Black eyes, red pupils, sharp teeth. Uh-oh.
Sir?
He's coming.
I want you to remain calm.
Hurry!
I promise
He's
you'll get
coming
through this. Hello? Hello? Hello?
The following message is transmitted by the Brooklyn City Police. Residents of Brooklyn, lock all your doors immediately. The suspect's description has been given to the police. He is a male, about 5 feet 1 inch tall, same skin color as the famous Mario from the famous Super Mario Brothers, a dark red cap and overalls, brown shoes, a brown mustache, black eyes, with red pupils, sharp teeth, white gloves stained with blood, and was last seen holding a knife. He is able to run at fast speeds as he can keep up with everybody. His name is Marioexe, or simply, Porter Mario, which explains the telephone outage emergency. Do not call 911 for emergencies. Instead, call the Brooklyn Police Department at 718-312-4226. Marioexe was also last seen brutally killing his victims, stabbing them multiple times, and then using their blood to write haunting messages on the walls of their already broken into homes. Do not try.
Hello Brooklyn. This is Susan, and we got news dealing with a new crisis. The 911 outage was explained by the factor of not a serial killer in horror movies, but an actual EXE from the Super Mario Brothers. This suspect is named Marioexe, on whom he had been identified. The police are having a hard time apprehending him as he dissipates into a reed gas that immediately infects you, where you cough and vomit blood, thus killing you in 19 seconds and you die. But during the emergency alert system, a hijack was reported. This hijack was also extremely scary that multiple young kids have to this image. The Super Mario Brothers title screen was stained with blood, red skies appeared, the orange bushes were on fire, with many of the labels being changed. They labeled Worldie 0, Time Kill, God 5403, Player 1 is immortal and 2 is he just dead. But the worst label was that copyright 1985 Nintendo was now copyright 6 Nintendo, with Mario on his screen with the exact same description as given. I literally want this guy dead. Almost 100 deaths have been reported with over 80 people dead, with most of them being children as Marioexe loves children, as their playmates, with some of them being abducted to his world. If you see this image on your device, Marioexe will come to your house and kill you, no matter how far he is as he can teleport and fly as well. Please don't go near him.
Oh, Susan, I don't know you're there.
Okay, what is it? Whoever this stupid plumber clone is, the labels are too much. Save yourselves.
Now I'd get a little bored, Brooklyn. Your sons think that image was bad? Well, wait till I come to your house, and you all will be my playmates. Just like my own brother Luigi. The entire Mushroom Kingdom's dead, and so will Brooklyn. Oh no, you do not bust into this studio with me. You think you can shoot?
Well, I guess that's taken care of. That's right, Pop Louie me. That plumber will no longer be there.
I do agree. I am Mario happy to see that. Me too. Fire Mario happy too.
All clear, all clear. This message is being transmitted by the Brooklyn Department of Police. The suspect, Marioexe, has been shot. And it turns out, a guy wearing a yellow shirt and brown pants has apprehended the suspect. And it somehow turns out they were in the news station while Mario.exe was hijacking the broadcast. But 80 deaths have been reported, and the children that have been abducted by this plumber will still be nowhere to be found. But for now, if you want to search for the children that you have been parents of the abducted, do so now, before they're gone. Thank you for your cooperation across this situation. It only lasted for at least 30 minutes, but at least he didn't spread out of control, nor did the red gas that killed anyone in its path. Stay tuned, and also, regular programming will resume.